In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Control W shortcut in Firefox. We will walk through the About Keyboard page, which is where Firefox lets you customize some shortcuts. First, make sure Firefox is open on your computer. If it is already running, bring its window to the front so it is active. You should see the usual Firefox interface with the address bar at the top and your open tab or tabs below it. Now move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the Firefox window. Click once in the address bar so the current web address is highlighted and ready to be replaced. When the address is selected, anything you type will overwrite it. Type About Keyboard into the address bar, all as one word with a colon between About and Keyboard. You will see the text appear in the address bar as you type, and it should not try to auto-complete to any website. This address points to a special internal settings page inside Firefox. Press Enter on your keyboard to open that address. Firefox will load a new internal page instead of a normal website. After a moment, you should see a settings style page titled About Keyboard or showing a list of keyboard shortcuts. If the page does not load and you see an error, your Firefox version likely does not support this feature yet. Once the About Keyboard page is open, look through the list of shortcuts for the one that uses Ctrl and W. The shortcuts are usually grouped by actions such as closing tabs or windows, and you may need to scroll down to find it. Take your time here, because the same key combination can sometimes appear under different actions in different versions. When you locate the Ctrl W shortcut, look at the options next to it. On supported versions, you can clear the shortcut or disable it, so Ctrl W no longer closes the current tab. Clearing usually means removing the key combination from that action, while disabling may switch the action off entirely. Clear or disable the shortcut using the control provided next to Ctrl W. This might be a small delete icon, an X, or a specific disable control depending on your Firefox version. After you change it, the list should update so that the Ctrl W combination no longer appears for that action. In most versions, this change takes effect immediately, so pressing Ctrl W will stop closing tabs right away. Keep in mind that this About Keyboard feature is only available in newer Firefox releases. If you do not see the page or there is no way to change Ctrl W, your copy of Firefox may not support shortcut customization yet. You can still continue using Firefox normally, but the Ctrl W shortcut will keep working as usual in that case. You have now used the About Keyboard page in Firefox to remove or disable the Ctrl W shortcut so it no longer closes your tabs. If this helped you stop closing tabs by accident, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear Firefox tips.